How to add audio effects in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page. Select the audio clip you want to edit from the timeline. Then, open the inspector panel on the right side of your screen. If it's not visible, click on the inspector button at the top right to make it appear. Next, scroll down to find the audio effects section. You will see options like Equalizer, Pitch, and more. You can start with the built-in equalizer to adjust bass, mid, and treble levels. Simply enable it and move the sliders to hear the difference in real time. After that, if you want more advanced effects, go to the Fairlight page. This is where DaVinci Resolve offers powerful audio tools. Select a track or clip and open the effects library from the top left corner. Under Audio Effects, you will find a variety of effects such as reverb, chorus, echo, and more. Drag and drop any of these effects onto your clip or track in the timeline. Once added, click on the effect in the mixer panel to tweak the settings based on what you need. You can layer multiple effects and even save presets for future use. Finally, play back your audio to make sure everything sounds right. And that's it. Now you know how to add audio effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.